Good morning. This is just a quick tutorial as to how you're going to complete your Google Slides for today, Wednesday, October 7th. So the title is Addition Word Problems. So let's take a look at the first word problem. It says the shark has lost 4 teeth on Monday and 5 teeth on Tuesday. How many teeth did the shark lose in all? So let's first look at our word problem to determine what our add-ins should be. So the shark lost 4 teeth on Monday. So that's going to be our first add-in. So we're going to click here where the text box is, erase what's there, and you're going to put 4. Now what else do we know? We know that the shark also lost 5 teeth on Tuesday. So that would become our second add-in. So now we have the beginning of our addition sentence. 4 plus 5. Now there's various strategies you can use. We've used a lot in class. Okay, one quick strategy I'd like to go over is a visual strategy. Okay, like we've been using in class. So our first add-in is 4, so we can draw 4 small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done that. The camera for you. 4 small circles. Our second add-in is 5. So we're going to write plus, and then we're going to draw 5 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it should look like this. Now we're ready to count our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 all together. So that's one way, okay, if you have counters at home or if you want to draw tally marks, those are all different strategies we can use. And you have 2 pages of slides here to work this out. This one has some good space here if you want to do your circles right there on the page. Thank you, and I hope this was helpful.